in today's tutorial, make sure you how to delete temporary files on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings, select that, select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, scroll down and select storage. Select temporary files, and then select or check mark the items you want to remove down here, and then select remove files at the top. Select continue to proceed, and that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.